So the last dialogue here is Ich brauche. Brauchen is a verb which means to need. This was also the verb I gave you last class in the last homework. Yeah. Because I told you that I'll be giving only the verbs that we're going to use in the class or in this chapter. So brauchen means to need. So the lady says, Ich brauche noch eine Tutor. Tutor means paper bag, basically a bag. Papier tutor, so paper bag, and normal tutor. So tutor is bag, the tutor. So the answer is here, bitte. Here it is. Die kostet 35 Cent. So 35 cent means it is approximately, I would say, 7 या 8 रुपए in Hindi, मतलब अपने INR में. So एक plastic का cost is around 7 to 8 rupees. So she says, wie bitte? Okay, in German, if you are not able to understand something at the one go, if you have a confusion, and if you want that person to repeat whatever he said, then we say wie bitte. Yeah, wie bitte is like pardon. Yeah, wie bitte is equal to pardon in English. When you are unable to understand one thing, like at the first time, or for example, you went to a market and you asked the price of something. Maybe you asked the price of cheese. So the person said it is of 900 rupees. So 900 is a big amount. So you would say, what? Again, please. So it's like out of shock or out of like disbelief, you are asking that person to repeat the price again. So this is what happened here with the lady. She was not expecting it that the amount of the bag would be 35 cents. That's why she said, wie bitte? That means what? Pardon? 35 Cent. Das ist aber teuer. This is really costly. Teuer means expensive. And aber teuer, this is a German they have a way to emphasize their statement by adding some words. Aber is one such word. If you want to emphasize your statement, for example, if you want to say, this is expensive. So you say, das ist teuer. But if you want to mean it, my God, this is really expensive. So they would say, das ist aber teuer. So this aber, it is something that adds to the expressiveness of the language. So she means that this is really expensive. Also gut. Also gut means, okay, then good. Then the person says, das macht dann. Das macht dann is a way to tell the total amount of whatever the things you have bought. This is the total amount. Das macht 18 €65. The total euro is 18 €65. So 18 euro is approximately 15 euro hota hai, 1200. Okay, 18 euro is like 18 or 1700 in English, approximately. So the total amount that she has to pay is 1700 something. Brauchen Sie den Kassenzettel? Kassenzettel means receipt. Receipt. Do you need the receipt? So she says, ja, bitte. Yes, please. So this is the dialogue number 5. Now, if you all have understood all the dialogues here, now I would play the Hören, and you have to understand, you have to guess that whatever there is only one Hören. I thought it was like you will Hören and picture. No, you will be listening to one of the conversations here. Out of these 5, one of the conversation, and you have to tell me which conversation you heard and which pic passes with it. You can see here 4 pictures or 5 pictures. So which picture passes with the Hören that you will be listening around? This is the question. Understood? Is there anything I can make you understand again in these dialogues? Yeah? No? Okay, Revati, like they are my students. They have been learning. It's like almost a month. I've been with them, so
Ashwin,
they
I have
are
a doubt.
very.
Yeah.
I have a doubt. Yeah.
Yeah, Ashwin, I'll come back to you.
I'm
Yeah, so
I'm
just a moment. Yeah. So Revati, I am telling you that if you have any question, anything, you can just ask me freely, because it's nothing that you cannot speak or you cannot put up your doubt and I'll like get angry or something. I don't do it like that way. So be free to ask me anything and everything in the class. Yeah, without worry. Yeah, Ashwin, please, bitte, gehen Sie weiter.
I just want to confirm.
Einkaufswagen
Einkaufswagen
means car.
Einkaufswagen means what?
cart. Cart.
Yeah, the shopping cart.
Okay.
We have basket, and then we have the shopping trolley. So Einkaufswagen is the shopping cart. Okay. Then wir gehen weiter mit dem Hören. You understood? The Hören, you have to, it will play a dialogue and you have to understand which picture it goes with. So, warten, ich soll jetzt die Hören spielen. Einen Moment. Eins Audio. Ja, super. Okay, so das ist Hören Nummer 8. 48 bis 44. They have that. Why can I see here only one? Okay, let's see. Maybe there's a confusion. So I'm gonna play 48.
Eins.
Entschuldigung, ich brauche einen Euro für den Einkaufswagen. Können Sie wechseln, bitte?
Ja, Moment. Hier, bitte.
Danke.
Okay, were you able to understand the first audio? Which dialogue is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Eins.
Ja, richtig. Sehr gut. Okay, dann Nummer 2.
2.
Entschuldigung, was kostet der Apfelsaft?
99 Cent.
Und wie viel kostet der Orangensaft?
1,09 €.
Yeah, so did you hear the pronunciation? Orangensaft. Yeah, so this is how they say it. It's very fancy Orangensaft. Yeah. So das ist Nummer 2. You might have got with it. Then Nummer 3.
3.
Wer kommt dran?
Ich bitte.
Was möchten Sie?
Ich möchte ein Stück Emmentaler, bitte.
Sonst noch etwas?
Ja, ich nehme noch 150 Gramm Schinken.
Ist das alles?
Ja, danke.
Ist das alles? Ja, danke. So das ist Nummer 3. Then wir haben Nummer 4. Okay, das ist Aussprache. Ja, Ashwin.
What is sonst?
Sonst noch
Etwas.
etwas mehr.
Okay, I think I wrote it here already. Anything more? Sonst noch etwas? Yeah, it's a phrase to reconfirm that do you need something more or not?
Oh.
Yeah. Okay, then you have it. Nummer 50.
4.
Entschuldigung, wo finde ich Reis?
Dort rechts.
Danke.
Okay, das ist Nummer 4. And then the letzte. Okay. Yeah, in the last thing, when she would say we bitter, just figure out the expression in her voice. Yeah, how is she saying it?
5.
Ich brauche noch eine Tüte, bitte.
Hier, bitte. Die kostet 35 Cent.
Wie bitte? 35 Cent? Das ist aber teuer. Also gut.
Das macht dann 18,65 €. Brauchen Sie den Kassenzettel?
Ja, bitte.
Yeah.
Danke.
So when he showed, or when he showed the, I would say, disbelief to something, it was like, wie bitte? 35 Cent? Das ist aber teuer. So when you are learning German, just don't feel like, just take it as in English, yeah, because expression jo hai, this is not something that English may we have different expression and German may we have, no, it's not that. When we are shocked, we do say it like that. What? 35, like 8 rupees for a bag? So this is the same expression we have in German. So it's nothing different. So when you will be more expressive while you read German, then it would be like more that it would feel that you are so good with the reading. So try to little more, a little expressive. It will be good. It will be very good actually. Okay. So yeah, now let's see. Dialogue 1. So there are, yeah. So what do you think for the first dialogue, which is about the Einkaufswagen, which picture from here would come up in here? Which picture do you think? With number 1, they are talking about Einkaufswagen. So see the picture and let me know.
First,
Yeah.
eins. Eins.
But Sana, in number 1, what I can see here is, okay, let's see what others say for the picture, for the dialogue number 1, when they're having a conversation about the Einkaufswagen. So which picture do you think will come up in here, Ashwin? See the pictures very carefully and then let me know. Because the topic here is going on
Day.
is about
Day.
Einkaufswagen. Yeah?
Day.
Day.
A day.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Samriti, what do you think?
D. D.
A. Ein Moment. Where is A? No. Actually, Ashwin is right. Why he is right? Because if we just if we just zoom in the picture, you can see that he's coming with a scent like he has come for the change, and there is in the background you can see the trolley picture here in Numa Day. Yeah, so that shows that he has come here for the trolley thing with in order to ask a change for it. So this is Numa Day. Yeah. Then you have for the Affelsaft. Revati, can you guess? This dialogue would go with which picture? You have picture number A, B, C and A. D is already guessed. So A, B, C and A. What do you think, Revati? Okay, Sana, could you guess? Affelsaft or Orangensaft का bottle कैसा होगा? Just imagine and let me know. It's given in the picture there.
I think it is A. A.
Yeah, Rishtish. It is picture number A, because in the picture number A, you can see that both of them are talking about a bottle, keeping like you can see the bottles in the background as well. And he's also holding a bottle of Orangensaft. So that is A, Rishtish. Then for number 3, what do you think, Samriddhi? Where's this photo here? Wer kommt dran?
B.
Yeah, Rishtish. That's B, Rishtish. And then for number 4, wo finde ich Reis? Who can tell me this? Which picture?
C. C.
Yeah, C. And the last one, ich brauche eine Tutor. So that would go with picture number A, because she is holding a bag in her hands. Yeah, you can see here. She's holding a bag and he's asking her to give it. So that's A. So in the numbers, where you have the numbers, please note down the pictures that would go with the numbers. Yeah, with the dialogues. Write down the pictures here. Okay.